So we went to Indiana Caverns, my friend Jana and I. We had so much fun. Of course, they have a gift shop, like most places do, but this one was super, super awesome. They had a lot of crystals. Like, I was actually really impressed with the collection that they had, for a gift shop at a place like this. It was really impressive to me. And their prices are so low as far as crystals go. It was incredible. I'm like, really? Because, we go to crystal shops a lot and sometimes the prices will be a little bit higher. So they were pretty affordable here. It was really, really impressive. They had so many options. So if you're into crystals, definitely check out the gift shop for sure. They seem to be really good quality. It was really awesome. They had a lot of options too. So you can see that in this part of the video. They have fossils, they have different books about the universe, about crystals, about different things about the caves. Definitely apparel, like all gift shops. They have their logo and stuff on t-shirts and sweaters and all of that good stuff, and magnets, so you can get little souvenirs. It was really, really awesome for a gift shop. Usually I skip over gift shops because they're all like little traps, but this one was impressive. So even if you're in the area and you're not going to do any of the activities and you live nearby, you're into crystals or fossils or whatever, it's a cool place to check out. You can also do gem mining here. We didn't do that because we went late in the day, so we didn't really have time. Raw. We'll edit that out. So then before you go into the cave, they have a short educational video for everyone to watch. So the next thing is everyone for the tour goes through this tunnel. There's 2 sections of that. It's kind of steep. It's actually a lot of fun. The only thing is, at the end of the tour, you got to go back up that. Here's a view of it once I got to the very bottom. That way I wasn't recording people. Then you are inside the cave, which is really cool. You have a tour guide that will tell you different facts and stuff that they believe happened. I'm not going to share a whole lot of that part because I don't want to take away from the point of you going and experiencing it. And make sure you wear appropriate clothing. It's pretty cold inside of there.
Yeah. So here we have a drill bit left over from the excavation of our man-made entrance. It got stacked in between these 2 separate layers of limestone. This top, more red layer is St. Genevieve limestone. St. Genevieve limestone is a very hard and strong limestone that makes up the ceiling of most of the cave. The second, more jagged layer is St. Louis limestone. St. Louis limestone is made up mostly of shale, so it's nowhere near as strong as St. Genevieve limestone. You can still see several of the drill marks left in it from the excavation. Does anyone have any questions? Alright. So the water you guys are feeling dripping on your heads are what we call cave kisses, and they are very lucky, but they do target people with glasses, so please keep that in mind. Please follow me.
I feel like I'm gonna fall.
Alright, how many of you have been in a cave before?
Yes.
All of you. So you should be able to tell me what the name of this formation is here on the ground. Yeah. Minecraft likes you. Sorry.
That is so cool. Oh shoot, I got a little. Hope you're not scared of heights. Kind of reminds me of Ruby Falls a little bit in Chattanooga. Man, it's so pretty. This is cool. They're all admiring everything too. Wow. So cool. The waterfall is about 40 feet. It's really, really, really cool and super cold water. So something to keep in mind, there is walking involved. You're going to be going 110 feet below surface. So there's 2 separate spiral staircases. There's also a couple of other regular staircases involved, and then stainless steel, they're all stainless steel walkways as well. So there is walking involved, there is a lot of stairs, and then you have to go back up all of that, which isn't too big of a deal. I don't believe it's wheelchair accessible, unfortunately. I would call and just check. I didn't see any options for anything like that. So that's just something to keep in mind. Or if you have small children, they're going to be doing a lot of walking unless you carry them. So the tour guide is basically saying that during the Ice Age, that where the blue light is right now was an opening for the cave, and that's where a lot of the animals would come in. This tour does talk about animals not making it, and there's also a lot of bones being found that you'll be able to see. So just keep that in mind. If you're sensitive to certain things, or if you have children that are sensitive or get emotional, I mean, history's full of that kind of thing, so just think about that. And then she's explaining some of the different formations and how one of them looked like a dragon, and then other ones look like different things. So she's just going through all of that. I don't want to spoil the whole entire tour, so come and check it out for yourself, and you can know all of the hidden little secrets. So on the way down, the tour guide will actually stop at a few different places, show you some of the different bones, explain what animal they came from, what time period. Most of them are from the Ice Age, which is pretty neat because some of them are already extinct. So it's kind of cool, you know, being in a underground cave 110 feet below surface and experiencing some of that. She was saying that this rock formation looks like a heart, which it does on one side of it. It's really interesting. She said it's the center of the cave tour part too. We got to see a little crayfish. Either through here. I pretty much have to duck right there. And I definitely have to duck right here. But it's just a short little period. And then we hopped on the boat for our little boat tour. So everybody's getting loaded on, and then we take off. It's a little difficult for you guys to see a lot during this cave tour because it's dark. I mean, they have total pitch black darkness if they turn off all the lights. So there's a little bit that's hard to see unless they have the light on or the flashlight. But come in person and you can experience it for yourself. In person, it's so much better. Once you get at the end of the route for the boat tour, they will turn the boat around and then you go back the same way that you came. And then dock, everyone will hop off and then you just walk back the same way that you came. So I didn't record any of that stuff. I took a couple of pictures, which I will post at the very end. This was a fun experience, and thank you so much, Jen, for bringing me. I had a total blast and can't wait to go explore another cave now. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. Please subscribe so that you can watch more adventures in the future. And thank you so much again.